The second key topic that I wanted to cover off on today is the customization and how you can actually use this interface to benefit what you want to do. So we were here in our sales environment today. Now let's say we wanted to keep track of some of our contacts. Now Salesforce allows you the ability to just click through and view a different number of lists of contacts. So you can set up list views for anything that you want. If you wanted to see the birthdays that you have coming up this month, or have your own personal hot list, these are the ones that I want to see at the top of my list every single time. Or maybe you wanted to collect together all your project managers, whatever it might be, you can create your own list view for those. That's just basic customization. But let's say we wanted to track something on an individual person. Like for instance, I wanted to keep track here of Brian O'Connor and a number of different things that we know about him. So I was able to understand his company name, his title, LinkedIn URL, his phone number, the basics that you'd want to track on a person, maybe their address or something like that that you wanted to keep track of. But you can see here, I've also got this new field that I added called height. Now, how easy is it for you to create these fields? Let me show you. We're just going to create this drag and drop right now. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to edit this page right here. It's going to bring up the Lightning App Builder, which is the interface inside Salesforce that allows you just to drag and drop little things around to what's going to be relevant for you. So you can see here that I have the height field right here. If I don't want it anymore, I just delete it out of my page and it's not going to be there anymore. You're not going to see that when we load up this individual's record. But if I wanted to add it back, I'd be able to go in here. I'd search for the field that I want. You can see it came up down here. I take that field and I drag it and place it right on the page. Now, when I go back to view my candidate's profile here, my contact's profile, height's there. And it's exactly where I wanted it. Now, anything that you see on this page can be drag and dropped in a similar way. These tabs that are over here on the right-hand side, you can change these and move these around anywhere you want. These tabs that are right here on this object, you can move these around and have the information customized in any way that you want to actually view it. So Salesforce is very, very customizable so that you're able to see the things that are relevant to you when you want to see them. It makes it tremendously easy to use.